Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose and Jack. Hello everybody, this is Rose. Rose, how are you doing, Rose? Did you eat your breakfast, Rose? Huh? Oh, you want to fly? You ready to fly? You're gonna eat first. Okay. Eat first. Where's Jack? Here's Jack right here. Hi, Jack. Jack. How are you doing, Jack? How's your breakfast, Jack? Oh, you ready to fly? Okay. And how about you, Rose? Rose. Hi, Rose. Good morning, Rose. 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 Did you eat a Baskin Robin? Huh? Oh, you're cute, Rose. My cute Rose. Yes, you are. Hey, you're so cute, Rose. Hey, Rose. Jack, come on here, Jack. Jack. Come on here. Come on here, Jack. He wants to be a big bird. Yeah, a big bird. Yes. You say you want to be a big bird. Like a very big bird. You like to kiss to everybody. Yes, you are. You playing? Are you playing? My good Jack. Good Jack wants to fly. How about you, Rose? What are you eating, Rose? Rose. You do running, Rose? Running is good exercise, Rose. Hi, Rose. Rose. Rose.